This is a garden of art and sound. We are here to promote African culture, arts and tourism. By the grace of God, I am here to promote our culture, to promote what we have, the new talent for cultural exchange. We are live at Nike Art Gallery, courtesy Chief Dr. Mrs. Oyenike Monica Okunda, the founder of Nike Art Gallery.
Tayo Conga is one of our award-winning Conga drum in Africa. And every layer, Christmas, New Year, and Easter, he always brings people together to make everybody happy. Both white and black, all of us, he brings everybody together. That is why we are all here today, to celebrate him.
I have with me for an evening with Tayo Conga, the Consul General of Austria.
Very much look forward to an immersive evening with great music and art. It's gonna be the best way of spending the evening with my family at this beautiful Easter Sunday in Lagos, learning more about African music and culture and simply enjoying it.
My expectation is to be blown away as usual. The first time I came in contact with Tayo Conga was his first ever, I think, Festival of Drums at Soria in Lekki. That was the first time. So, as usual, he's going to give us the magic from the drums.
So definitely this evening is going to be a wonderful evening for this Easter.
Oh, definitely. That is why I'm here.
I've gone around, I've seen a lot of art, and to listen to the sound, the energy. Because I actually know Tayo Conga, the energy is energetic. So I'm here for the sound and for the fun, to catch fun anyway.
I'm an art enthusiast, that's why I'm here tonight.
What are your expectations tonight?
I'm expecting to have a very good time, right? You know, just experience the African culture in a new dimension, and you know, that's just basically what I'm looking for.
And we promise you are definitely going to have a good time tonight.
I'm expecting nothing but fun, good African vibes and music.
It's a brand new day. Oh,